Hello guys, I am Ivan from MLXperts lab. So today I'm going to share with you some GitHub repositories that will help your Claude Code experience better. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to show you a GitHub repository. It's called Claude Counter. So if you want to search it, so you can write Claude Counter GitHub, and then you have to click the first link, and then you will find this GitHub repositories. It's basically show you the session percentage and the session time and weekly limits on your Claude Code. So it's super easy to download it and install it on your Claude Code. Just click here to download the zip file, and it will be downloaded on your computer. And then this zip file, you have to go to the manage extensions here, and the manage extension, obviously you have to turn on the developers mode, and then you have to just drag and drop here, and then you have to go to the Claude Code, and then you have to just refresh it, and then it will show you here, and again it will show you the session percentage and token limits here. So if I am using it here, hello, how are you? So you will see how it also counts the tokens. So you can see it's count 28 tokens and cached for its 4 minutes, and it will reset for 4 hours and 55 minutes. So this is super easy, so you can just install it like this. And again, another one I am going to show you in the Claude Counter. If you see, scroll down, and if you see the bottom side, inspired by Claude usage tracker. So this is also a useful tracker, Claude Code tracker. So this is again the easiest way. So you have to just go to those repositories, and also then here you will get the Chrome link, Chrome Web Store. Go to the Chrome Web Store, and then you can just use it from add to your Chrome. So add extensions. So when it's added, it's already added. So then if I'm going to the Claude Code again and refresh it, and now you can see the session, and it will reset after 4 hours and 50 minutes, and the message left 866.8. So these two tools are super useful, and you can see the length of the tokens, cost, how much credits cost, and cache time. And so next I'm going to show you the Caveman repositories. So if you don't find it in the GitHub, you can just search Caveman GitHub, and then you will find it here, the first one, the Caveman. So this is the most useful, I guess. After I use it, I got boomed in my work. These repositories actually reduce your token limits on Claude Code, and right now not only Claude Code, it also works for Codex, Gemini, Cursor, and many other AI agents. So you can see on the GitHub that normal Claude Code takes 69 tokens. The Caveman, when you install the Caveman, it will reduce into 19 tokens. So that's huge, I guess. And also they are claiming that they have just reduced 75% token saved, and they have showed a benchmarking here. So where normal Claude Codes takes 1180 tokens, there, when you just using Caveman, it will reduce into just 159. That's really a huge number. I don't know, it's it reached at that much. I don't know. It reached at 78% or not, 87% or not, but it really works. I don't know. Some people just claims that they got just 30% reduces, but it really works. So how you are going to install it? You have to just install it by terminal. So as I am using Mac, so I am going to use the Mac terminal code command. So I am going to copy it, then I am going to open the verb to install it. Just paste it here and hit enter. It will install. You see the Claude Code is detected. Claude Code is detected already, and then cursor is detected. They detected the cursor, Claude Code, and let's see what more they got detected. So they installed it for Claude hooks, Caveman shrink, and cursor. So they got detected cursor here. So now you can use it for Claude Code, and if you don't want to install it on your local machine, or if you don't want if you don't have the Claude Code desktop apps, you can install it by just here. You can just download the zip file from here and then unzip it, and then you have to go to the Claude Code and skills, manage skills, and then just write the button here, create a skill, upload a skill, and then you have to just find this Caveman main, and then you will find a directory called skills, then Caveman and skills.md. Just open it here and see Caveman is already installed. And how you are going to use it, just write Caveman here, and then it will turn on the Caveman. See, it's turn on the Caveman mode, so it will reduce your token limits. I tell you, I can bet you that it will reduce your token limits. You can use Caveman Ultra like this. So Ultra mode is on. So if you are using Ultra mode, so here they said if you are using Ultra mode here, wait, just let me find it out. So they have light version, they have light version, full version, ultra version, and this is the Chinese version, I guess. So if you are going to use ultra version, it will reduce your token limit like super. So you can use it by here. And now on, if you just wants to use your Claude Code, then it will reduce your token limits, and it will also work for cursor, as it is already detected cursor on my machine. So you can see I have just command Caveman, so Caveman mode is on here, you can see, and it will also work for Codex. See, I just commanded Caveman. If I command it here, Caveman Ultra, so it will just turn on the Caveman Ultra mode here. So this is pretty much useful. And lastly, I'm going to show you Chrome extension. This is Claude Code tokenizer. token counter. So if you want to see the how much token you are using in the input and output and total, so it will show you from here. So if you just turn on, if you just install it here, add extension, and then if you click it here, you have to just refresh the Claude Code, and then if you see that I inputted 6 tokens and the output 1125 tokens, so total this much token. So you can see Caveman Ultra is on the Codex. So now if I command something, then it will reduce up to 87% token uses. So this is like super boomed. So if you are using Claude Code, even paid version, so it will limited you also. So right now, I guess if you are using Caveman, then it will reduce your just token usage. So you are not going to have a token limits or session timeout. So right now you can see that if I am going to here Caveman, I have worked on a project, so it just reduces my time limits. Otherwise, like before, when I use without Caveman the Claude Code, when I use Claude Code without the Caveman, it took a lot of tokens, and the session time, it would be out at that time. But it's just hit 90% token limit, session limit. So that's really huge for me. So I have done a lot of work with this Caveman mode. So that's all for the video today, and if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and click on the like and subscribe, and share this video to your well wishers. So thanks for watching this video.